Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a quick backup. Do that first so you can act without fear. Once done, open Start and Type Settings, press Enter to launch it quickly. Make your way to Update and Security. This is where Windows centralizes recovery tools. In that pane, click Recovery on the left and you'll immediately see the options available for resetting or restoring. This step locates the actual controls. It's fast, and it ensures you're in the right interface to continue. You now choose the correct path. Decide why you need recovery so you pick the right option. If you want a simple refresh, click Reset this PC and choose Keep My Files or Remove Everything. That rebuilds Windows without extra downloads. Alternatively, select Advanced Startup to boot from a USB, access UEFI, or Open Command Prompt for DISM and SFC repairs. Make sure any installation media matches your Windows 10 edition and is bootable, because begin the operation by following prompts. Choose local reinstall or cloud download and confirm data removal level. Once the process starts, it may restart several times. Let it complete. If a reset fails, use Command Prompt from Advanced Startup and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption. If media won't boot, check UEFI settings and temporarily disable Secure Boot, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.